Hey guys, hold on a second, I have to get something out. My backpack, I'll put you on my, this cool thing. Oh, I had to upload the video. Well, okay, right now you're on my bike, and, I found a way to hang my camera on my bike safely, or semi-safely, so that's why you're hanging. You can't see right now, but you're like on my handlebars. I still have to find a way to angle it for it's pointing at my, at me, but that's cool when I'm walking my bike, because I can rotate it for it's steering at me. Hold on a second. Found my flashlight. My phone. Jeez. Where is this thing? Where is this thing? Oh my God. Oh my mother God. Oh my mother God. Why is it saying I have Spanish at 6 p.m.? Okay, my iPod says I have Spanish at 6 p.m. I guess I'm going to school, guys. Let's go. Just kidding. I'll probably have to put AM in here. Dang it. Yeah, I have to put AM in my clock. Oops. That's not good. I'll have to go do that in a second. What am I looking for? Looking for my paper clip. It's so hard to lose a paper clip in here, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's a paper clip. Yeah, I found my paper clip. Okay. What else am I looking for? No. Phone. iPod. I think I'm good. Okay. Let me just paper clip my headphones to my shirt. Real quick. Okay. Hold on a second. I love that thing because then I can like walk my bike and be next to my bike and have the camera pointed at me. So cool. Okay, think I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, okay, all good. All good in the hood. Okay, here we go. Just put this on. Zipped up. Zipped up. Zipped up, zipped up. Zipped up, zipped up. Okay, I'm ready to take off. Okay. Let me get my thing on. Oh, gosh, okay. Oh, what's up? Hold on a second. I know you can't see me right now. Just a second. Okay, all good. All good. Oh, okay. My legs are killing me. Like, what's this nonsense? I gotta make sure I gotta remember to pop my tires up. Or wait, no, they're good. Looks bad though. Just a second. Let's do something on the road. Oh. It's just something stuck to it. It's just something stuck to the road. Okay. Oh, fix this thing. Oh, okay. I thought for a second that my grip fell off. Nope. Alright, on my grip. Okay. My flashlight, my bike. Beast it is. Okay. Grip plus flashlight now. Dude, I'm totally modding my experience without saving me spending any money. Oh, okay. I'm totally modding my experience without spending any money. Turn the corner. Shoot. If you're riding a bike, always remember, you start veering off of the road. Just like it. Always remember, you start veering off the road. Zip up. You start veering off the road, remember, lean in the direction away from where you're falling. So I almost went off the sidewalk, and I was totally about to fall. So what I did
was, since the bike was leaning towards the right, I leaned towards the left, and then I got my, and then I even the bike out so the bike stayed straight. I was able to turn my way off. I have